Good afternoon. So today we're in Lake James, which is a community in North Lakeland, exclusively built by Ernie White, 55 and over, gated. Really nice. All the homes here are just beautiful quality. Ernie's been a long-term builder here in Polk County for years, builds a great home. I can't wait to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Really well built. Let's go take a look at it. All right, we've got another beautiful day here in beautiful sunny Lakeland, Florida. Not a cloud in the sky. Not sure where you're watching this from, but man, the weather here end of March has been gorgeous. Here's a tour of the street view. As you can tell, it's just a really nice quality 55 and over community. All single family homes right here. Pool, clubhouse, nice amenities. Part of the monthly HOA covers your lawn care, cable. So I'm going to show you this 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Notice the 3-car garage. Ernie builds a quality house. Lots of upgrades come standard. You can see the pavers here. And then we're going to walk on in here. You'll see they put some nice fresh landscape along the way. It's got a great front porch. Do want to point out a few things. It's got architectural shingles. You've got gutters in the front. And then the nice beams here, pillars. It's nice because you can just sit here on the front porch, kind of hang out, and just enjoy the peaceful day. Who said you can't sit on a front porch in Florida? Well, maybe there's a couple months of the year you can't. But other than that, let's go take a look at this house. All right, so let's get in here. I give you the full effect. So when you first walk in, if you look straight up, you've got crown molding. Notice the ceiling it's a tray ceiling with more crown molding. So to give you an idea, you've got a bedroom and a bath here, 2-car garage, and the master suite is in the back. All right, so it's very nice and split, almost 2,000 square feet. I'm gonna take you straight back here and then kind of walk you around. All right, so nice and open. We're gonna come back here. But backing up, this is an office. Could be a separate sitting area, but really ideally an office. Got the modem there and the Wi-Fi. Ceramic tile flooring. Notice with a lot of Ernie White homes, you're gonna see you've got the beautiful wood for all your trimmings. Really nice quality. His trim guys are always just fantastic. Beautiful baseboards. This has got like a single light French door. Close that off, but still have the windows to keep it open, the glass to keep it open. Notice the tall doors here. Ernie puts those in a lot of his homes. So I think what I'm gonna do first is to let you see the flow of the floor plan. Let's just go right here. And then you're gonna see this is a full bathroom. Notice the beautiful countertops, all granite. Great colors, very neutral, but very pretty. Extended, plenty of counter space, wood cabinetry. Looks like they've updated some of the handles and the knobs. Crown molding, even in the bathroom, why not? Framed mirror. Here's a tub shower combination. It's in immaculate condition. Tile looks great. There is a linen closet behind here too, okay? Typical linen closet. Don't need to go over that up. Let's show you the bedroom. Nice sized bedroom. A little hard to tell from the video, but pretty decent size. You've got double doors there for your closet. Love the, look at this, all the handles and the door and the hardware for this house. Really pretty. Very elegant, yet it looks like it's a brushed nickel. I like that. This looks very classy. Here's your laundry. Maytag. Never have to call the repairman, right? That's what they say. All right, and then this laundry sink. More closet space, like this would be really just another linen closet since you have one in that bathroom we just looked at. 3-car garage. This is gonna make somebody smile. Couple things. You've got the epoxy flooring, really pretty. 3-car garage. Look at this. Really nice, good size. This was built in 2022, so everything it's 3 years old, so it's almost like new. It's in great condition. Again, you got the beautiful flooring here. They've taken great care of it. Great golf cart and breaker box. You get the idea. Both of the garages have openers on them. There's your pull down out exteriors. Probably some additional storage room up there. Not sure if they put the old plywood in there for extra storage. Nice heavy door. All right, so this is the right-hand side of the home. Now, as we go straight back, this is really the main body of the home. You can see the huge living room area. Gorgeous kitchen. Look at this. Looks like the same color granite as is in the bathroom. Big island. Love the glass block here, letting some natural light in. Kind of where your backsplash is also tile. It's like porcelain, possibly. Stainless steel appliances. Microwave, saw GE profile, high end. And then again, just to kind of show you this, it's a nice design. And then it's got a GE fridge, pantry, closet pantry, dishwasher. Right back this way, this kind of overlooks the whole design. Again, crown molding everywhere here. I'm gonna take you in the back porch in a minute, but look, no rear neighbors. How's that for a view? Like nobody. Don't we all like that? Sit on the back porch and just enjoy. So you can sit on the front or the back porch. High ceilings, ceiling fans. Let's go take a look at the master bath. Master bedroom and master bath. Good size master bedroom, really big. Crown molding. This one's got carpet in it. It's in really good condition. Looks like they just kind of steam cleaned it possibly. And then the master bathroom here. Huge countertop. You're carrying on that green theme, the framed mirror with the white frame, really pretty. They've pretty much got crown molding in most of the main areas of the house. Linen closet. Here is just your walk-in shower with no lip, so it's really easy. Flip on your water. You got extra handles here, extra support. When the knees start going out, I know what that's like. I could be over 55 and probably am, so I have room to talk about this. But you got this nice obscure glass, so it gives you a little bit of somewhat privacy, if you will, in the shower. You've got a pocket door here to close off this huge walk-in closet area. Plenty of shelving, plenty of room to even add a little bit of shelving if you wanted to, but very nicely designed. And then your toilet room is right here. Pretty basic toilet room, but some people call it a water closet if you want to get really fancy. But it's a toilet room. Now this is something kind of nice too. See this once in a while? This is plugs. So if you are setting a couch, really in this case, probably an end table or something, how you put your couch. Again, I do want to point this out again, so because it's just such a nice feature. The windows, look how they're trimmed. I want you to, look how thick this is. Not too thick. Hold on, I want to throw this off. It's right here. This is all beautiful wood, and it looks really, really nice. Those are the little things, and even the baseboards and the crown molding, that make a home even more custom built and add some nice upgrades. Look above the slider. Ernie's always had great trim, guys. And again, it just kind of makes the home more of a custom home, and it's gorgeous. All right, so notice we walk out here, you've got pavers. Nice sized porch. This is under truss. Nobody in back. So come over here so you can kind of see the size of this. And you could even open up these sliders all the way if you want to kick them open here. today's honestly a perfect day for it. The weather is probably, we're like high 60s, which is really nice for Lakeland, Florida. Now, let's open this up here. An idea. They've done a nice job with the landscaping. I do want to point this out because speaking of Florida, once in a while we have hurricanes. Been here my whole life, over 50 years. I've been through, I think, 5 or 6 hurricanes. They're never fun, but they're part of living in Florida. So, and if you have that, this is the thing to have. It's a Generac generator. Wonderful. Very nice. That way, it's a party at your house if the power goes out, because you've got the power. No pun intended. That's a dad joke. I don't know how many of you dads are watching. Comment below. You loved the dad joke. Thank you. I've got to do that with my kids still, always. So just notice, even over here, get a little bit of a water view from this angle. Nothing behind you. Get some folks over there enjoying the outside breeze. I'm not gonna lock in on them because I don't want them to think I'm staring at them here, but so not much of a backyard. But again, this is getting all maintained with your HOA, but it does give you a little bit of a backyard. And then here's your side. Now this is really nice. They've done mulch all the way around to keep the grass off the side of the house. There's your air compressor tucked in nicely. So this home has really been well maintained. Hope this has given you a pretty good idea of what this beautiful home at Lake James looks like. They've got gutters back here. And it looks like some landscaping and lights for at night. So hope you've enjoyed the tour. Thank you so much for watching this. I would love to talk to you about Central Florida real estate. My name is Brian Stevens, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've watched this video and even made it this long, man, you are a champion. Thank you so much for hanging in there. Hope you've enjoyed this tour. I love giving video tours to you all and all these gorgeous homes I get to look at all the time, being a real estate agent here in Central Florida. So if you'd like to get in touch with me, all my contact information is below. If you have a home that you would like me to look at to help you to sell and do one of these cool tours, we'd love to do that too. So thank you so much for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Whenever I drop more videos, you'll get notified and you can continue to check these houses out with me. Have a great day. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.